Genesis 10:1. This is the account of Shem, Ham, and Japheth, Noah's sons, who themselves had sons after the flood. Genesis 10 begins what's often called the Table of Nations. It's not just a list of names, it's a spiritual map of humanity's rebirth after judgment. From Noah's sons came all the peoples of the earth, fulfilling God's command to be fruitful and multiply. This chapter reminds us of God's faithfulness to preserve life and His plan to repopulate the world through obedience and blessing.